Hi, I am Cassie, the English teacher. On my channel, I make lessons for beginner and intermediate English students. Today, we're learning infinitive verbs using like, need, and have. Today, in lesson 4, we are going to learn about negative past tense verbs. Each lesson begins with a practice conversation and an idiom of the week. Hey, where were you yesterday? I have a test today, so I studied all day yesterday. The idiom this week is everything but the kitchen sink. Everything but the kitchen sink. Next, we review some of the concepts from the previous lesson. So let's review past tense questions from last lesson real quick. Remember that we need a question word. Let's review like. Last time we learned I don't like coffee. Then I'll teach a new concept and create a game for you to practice. Now we're going to learn how to ask a question. So we're going to learn today how to make regular verbs past tense. So we're going to practice. I am going to show you a verb and you're going to say that verb in the past tense. The final part of a video is dictation practice. This is very important because listening is the hardest part of learning a new language. Dictation practice will help you learn to listen for English phrases. Remember that I'm going to talk, you listen, write, and then check. Are there any towels? Are there any towels? Are there any towels? In addition to lessons, I also make a weekly conversation practice video. This will help you with English pronunciation. You can always comment with a question. My email is in every video's description below, and you can always email me. I also do individual and group lessons via Zoom. Have fun learning English. Bye.